Kill Speedway. That's rounding around right there. I think it's 3/8 mile. Yeah, 3/8. I don't think it's a dirt track anymore. I think it's concrete now, or pavement. The banking's concrete. And there's the dragway right over there. Oh. Used to be owned by the Wall family, and Buckman's Harley Davidson and Dave Dennis bought them out. Well, I bet they're happy this is growing up like this. People can't sit here on the bikeway anymore and watch the drags. You can watch them a little bit. What's that 3 for? 3 miles to Xenia station maybe? And it's all uphill too. So that 3 miles of uphill here. Doesn't look uphill, but it is. You can tell when you pedal one, you can't coast far. I have to take it easy, I got all day. This track can't take anything much more than 250 miles an hour. Because I only have about a quarter mile to stop in. Before they go in the creek down there. Walk across this. Cars can go down pretty fast. Some of them think they're on the speedway there. Kind of uphill there. It's hard to get started on that little uphill on the recumbent bike. Right there, Kilcare Dragway. It's warming up a little bit. Let my feet wake up a little bit. The comet bikes you see, it's kind of lose blood flow in the feet a little bit. At least I do. Wake up, feet. I'm sure brought some sunblock. I won't be out in the sun that much. Been out in the sun all summer, so. About a 2.5, 3 mile climb all the way to Xenia Station from here. Come on, clip in, damn it. There we go. Put pedal extenders on. I think I might take those off. Seems like my feet are out too far. Make my feet go to sleep more. Get 8 mile an hour going uphill. Not too bad. 8.5. Oh, by the way, yes, this used to be a rail bed at one time. Like this all the way to James, well, all the way to the Fayette County line. Used to be a rail bed at one time. Damn it, skeeters. Damn it. Look, this guy's flying. He's coming downhill. I'm going up. Used to be an old junkyard there a few years ago. Oh. Probably trying to figure out what I had on my helmet. Camera buddy. Well, I'll turn it back on when I get to Xenia. Just right up around the bend here. I'm in Xenia here. Xenia, Ohio. That's some creek there. I believe that pit bull did come after me. Well trained. No income apartments. Most of them in bed still. It's probably only noon. Damn helmet, I'm going to take off. Xenia Station up here. Rubbing my forehead again. I'll just carry the camera by hand. Fell over, damn it. Thank you, sir. That's a dangerous spot to cross. There's been so many people hit at that intersection. They need to just put a light there. They can activate by a switch, a button. Can't believe that guy let me out like that. Tree roots. Damn, that smelled good. Little restaurant there. Bar. Little sports bar. I don't know what they're cooking, but it sure smelled good. I'm gonna go up here and have a Pop-Tart for a snack. Maybe a pack of peanut crackers. I just left this bike a second ago fishing. It's about 42. Senior station right around the bend. I need adjustment and a new chain. The bike's up here. Yeah, won't take them long to put on a new chain. Not really skipping. Just doesn't want to go in gear sometimes. Got a headache. How the frick I get this headache? From this damn helmet. Xenia-Jamestown. There's some shade on the other side. Thank you, sir.
You betcha. Thank you.
So, check this bike shop out first. Ooh, putting on a jungle gym. Wow. Put something in for the kids, a little playground. Oh, that shape was good. sure this little bike shop here doesn't want to be on YouTube. So I'm going to shut this off now. And turn it back on if I decide to go towards, well, I am going to go toward Jamestown. I'd probably just go up to Jasper Road and turn around. Let's see when we get there. I'll start it back up when I get back to Xenia Station. Stay tuned. It's closed. What this sign says. Surf and cycle. Xenia. Will be closed Saturday 9-10. Open again Tuesday at 12. Nope, it's Tuesday. It's 12. Somebody must have broken their shop once. Got plywood over the window. Big old bolts running through it. Yeah, let me go back to Xenia Station. I don't need nothing from it anyway. Wouldn't mind having a... would have bought a couple of inner tubes from them. I don't have an inner tube in case I have a blowout. Got a patch kit and got a pump. No inner tubes. Never know what you can run over on the bikeway. Go back that way through town, through downtown Xenia. Bikeway that way, that's the Yellow Springs, Springfield bikeway. I take Yellow Springs, Springfield, Urbana, Bell Fountain. Long ways. Any picnic tables in the shade.